Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge technology with the JJRC Land Air Mini Drone. This incredible aircraft is not just your average drone, it's a dual-mode marvel that seamlessly transitions between land and air, opening up a whole new realm of possibilities for exploration and excitement. Equipped with 4-axis control and a remote control system, this mini drone offers unparalleled maneuverability, allowing pilots of all skill levels to perform breathtaking aerial stunts and tricks with ease. But that's not all. With its innovative design, the JJRC Land Air Mini Drone can also conquer terrain on the ground, effortlessly navigating obstacles and taking on new challenges. But wait, there's more. Prepare to be dazzled as this unmanned vehicle lights up the sky with its mesmerizing LED lights, creating a spectacle that's sure to captivate audiences both day and night. So whether you're a seasoned pilot, looking for your next thrill, or a beginner eager to explore the world of drones, the JJRC Land Air Mini Drone is the ultimate companion for your aerial adventures. Stay tuned as we take this incredible machine to new heights and push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of remote-controlled aircraft. Don't miss out, hit that subscribe button and join us on this exhilarating journey. This is US 21.22, and to buy this, get the link from the video comment box and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.